Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and we are working through my second subcategory here, which is kids, which would include any non-baby related items as well as anything related to school. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so now let's just move on to general kind of kids side of things. So sticker sheet, got another sticker sheet, kind of boy themed. I added this petticoats and pinstripes from Echo Park paper called Rocket Ships in the in the kid section because that's probably where I would end up using it. I don't know, maybe. I mean, it's not like rocket ships are an everyday part of my life. Although, I do have a layout to do about the space shuttle coming here to California. But I also have this collection here from Stephen Duncan. So here's what I'm thinking. I also have school papers. So I kind of I'm thinking, you know, education, school, but then I also think of childhood because I think of things like the Jetsons and, oh boy, do I keep this in here? I think so. I think I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna leave this in the kids section. I am gonna leave this collection as it is. I'm not going to break it up. Again, it's a Stephen Duncan collection. It's got a very distinct look to it. And I am just going to add this paper in here. Sometimes these decisions are very hard to make. You know what I'm saying? And then I've got some more sticker sheets. Imagine that from Echo Park. I've got another one of these. Photo Play Freestyle. It's kind of an older boy vibe. This is man card, so I guess it could be not just necessarily kids, but also, you know, the men in your life. I think that I'm still going to keep that all in here, just again, because I don't want a whole other category for adult men. I just don't have anything else that I know of yet. This is from Photo Play as well, this guy. So a fair amount of stickers, really, considering. Put those together. And I've got, that's my boys. I've got a girl collection and a boy collection. Let's see if there's anything in here that I necessarily want to keep as boy, girl, or if I should move it into my regular stash. So this is a floral and a pink. That's totally everyday. We've got the cut-aparts and another floral. We've got the unicorns and a multicolored floral. Totally could use that in every day. All girl, yep. Another cut apart sheet. It's got the little dogs on the back side that are really cute. Little puppies. But do I want to keep this? I don't know. I just don't see me ever using this piece of paper. So I think I am going to purge this even though it is super cute. Got the princess themed on the sides of pink, which is totally usable. Probably would not use the teepees, but this is a floral icon with the pink. Yep. More cut aparts. Totally generic. This is a dollhouse paper. It's cute. And I would probably use this side. The llama paper with a stripe. Yep. Mermaid and a pink. Floral. Now, I think, what am I thinking? I think I'm going to leave the mermaid paper in this theme. My niece is really into that, and I have some pictures of her that this paper would work with. So I think we will leave that in there, and then we will add the sticker sheet to the front. So all of the rest of this kit is just going to go, I think, it's just going to go in my collection unless I make a page kit out of it. So we could do something like that. That's cute. That's a lot of pink. A lot of pink. Yeah, I think this is just going to go in my collection. We'll make the one kit. So this will go pink, kit starter, pink. I see a lot of orange in this one, so I think that's where that's going to go. Pink, kit starter, and blue. I could put this one in kit starter too. Let's do that. Kit starter, pink, and a little bit of blue. Okay, that's my boy Echo Park 2014. Oh, look at, I actually did use this a little bit. So this is going to go in with my stickers. Probably would not use that side. So we've kind of got the brown thing. We've got more stickers. Cut aparts I probably wouldn't use. Oh look, more space themed. I have a lot of space stuff already, so I don't think I need to keep it for that, but I would keep it for the green. So do like that. Cut apart with the sports themed. Probably would not use the cut aparts. Would I use the sports theme paper? I might, because I do have some basketball photos. I'm going to keep this in this category because I would think of kids and sports. So keep that. This has got planes and some sort of diagram. I'm just going to throw this in my scrap bin. Same with this one. We'll go in my scrap bin. Same with that one. Unless we add it. No, same with that one. Thinking maybe we make a kit. Maybe throw this one in too, maybe. Not so sure about that one. I actually don't mind these icons, and I don't mind these different tickets and stuff, so I'm going to keep that in here. We've got the game consoles. I'm going to keep that as well. And all of these, I just have some punches out of them. But I'm okay. I'm not considering this a scrap per se. We've got a stripe and numbers. This kind of has a school theme going on with the fractions and stuff. So we haven't talked about school yet, which is a subcategory of this. So I'm just going to put this aside. And then we've got the plaid with the red. So really, you guys, I've got 4 sheets here, and I think I'm just going to make a page kit out of this. Call that one done. Mostly stickers, a couple loose sheets, and the space themed. And let me go pull the stuff I have for school. So I have the Simple Stories School Life collection with some embellishments, which we all know what I'm going to do with those. Toss them in a bin and deal with them later. And then I have a couple page kits and some cards. Now, to be honest, I don't see me using these as is, so we'll take these apart and have a look what's in there. In the meantime, let's look at the school stuff. I like that for school, and the pencils. I don't have a ton of school themed items to do. I really like the paper clips. As I was saying, I don't have a ton of school themed stuff to do, but I do have some school stories I haven't told yet. I don't necessarily have pictures, so I'm not opposed to keeping all of this. And I think I might just keep this all as a kit. I'm liking enough of it to keep all of it, yeah. And we will throw this piece of paper in there as well. Okay, let's look at the page kits, see what's in here. I got these in a warehouse box, so in case you're wondering why I have them, that is the reason why. So this is going to go in with embellishments, as are these. Same with those. So we're going to pull that out. Now I probably wouldn't necessarily use these as the pages, but I could use them for scraps or layering elements. And so I'm just going to tuck those all in this paper kit as well. Okay, we've got more embellishments, card bases, which I'm just going to throw in with my cards. We've got some different layering elements, which I think I'm just going to treat as die cuts. And so all of these are going to go in with the embellishments. So that was easy. Okay, so school, general kids space, and this is going to go in a bag and is going to hang in my closet along with the rest of the items.
Okay, and that's going to wrap up the second part of this section. And what we have left is family. Stay tuned, that should be coming out shortly. Until then, happy organizing.